So we're just installing a gate kit, and as you can see here, we're pre-marking our hinges for the gate. We're going 6 inches down from the glass edge, keeping ourselves clear of all the wires and all the screws. Once we pre-drill the holes, we face mount the gates. And it's really simplistic because the gate hinge, these ones here are self-closing because we're working around a pool, but as you can tell here, the back is really easy. It just tells you what the gap's going to be. So you take this measurement when you mount it, and this is the distance right here that you're going to need between your posts. So all in all, it's quite a simplistic system. Now 2 of these evenly spaced, and then you just account for the gap between the posts, and then cut down your rail sections. And here's the gate kit. So the gate kit comes with 2 posts, one already mounted, the other one for the face screws with the plates to go on. And all we're going to do is cut down these rails here to the length so that we can accommodate the width that we need to go between the posts. I recommend taking off 1.5 inches between your post distance for the overall width of the outside from post to post. So take that into account, snip it off the end of those, and then off to the races. This is the gate latch. This part mounts to the post. It goes on the outside of the post. So this is where the gate will swing in, right here. The gate will come on this side, and basically this shows you how it latches. So what you want to do is set these 2 screws in first, and then pre-drill these 2 holes here on the front. Then what happens is, you're basically going to take this and lock it together by lining it up, and twist, and click. And that's how it mounts together.